Make money, motherfuckers.
Alright, bet.
Hey, I got a cameo. My first big shoot, baby. Let's go.
That's the intro, boys. Let's get into the video now. Alright, so right here, let's go to the 15-minute. This is the first trade we took on the 25K funded. Here's the second one, so let's get it. Up here we got 15-minute sell side, 15-minute buy side liquidity swept. Come on down to the 5-minute. Market structure shift right here. We're now going to enter off of this bearish fair value gap. Enter down the pullback right away. Draw down. Don't like seeing that. Super long wicks. It's choppy. Don't like it. So I'm staying sharp. Staying aware of what the market is showing me. I'm not going to lie. This could have been a $250 loss. Instead, it was only a $50 loss. Why is that? Well, because we came down here. We continue to use this bullish fair value gap right here as support. Support. We were having trouble breaking that trend line, right? So the first time we came down, I noticed we used it as support. We bounced right back up. Second time we came down, I sold a couple of my positions. Boom, bounced right back up. Still waiting. I'm staying patient. Come back down, bounce up again. We have a huge wick up right here. Huge wick. I'm like, all right, I need to wait for this to break. Bang, we got to break a structure. Down here, I sold more of my position. I see we're starting to go up now. I was hoping we're not going to break through this 5-minute fair value gap again. Well, we did. We completely broke through it. Now we're using it as support again. Right there, I knew. I was like, fuck. I'm just going to hold. If I lose, I'll lose $50. It's whatever. I'm going to hold it though. I'm going to stick to the strategy because we have everything we want. I'm going to just let it run. Well, we ended up getting stopped out. Lost $50. On the challenge, we're down to $24,951. We're down $50, whatever. Not that big of a deal. We capitalized on the loss. Like I said though, the last 2 trades now have been great trades. I'm perfectly fine with the loss because I've had everything that I needed to take the trade. And I'm even going to show you this entry. This was a beautiful entry here. So look, we have a 5-minute fair value gap. Come down to the 3-minute. Right here. Same exact entry as the 5-minute. Let's go down to the 1-minute. Look at that. The 1-minute, same exact entry as the 3-minute and the 5-minute. That is a triple confluence for an entry. You would think it would be a beautiful entry, right? Well, you know, that's what happens during this PM session sometimes. You know, when you're trading these high-ass time frames with shitty volume and shitty liquidity, sometimes it's not the best. But I'm going to show you guys something that I showed you guys in previous videos. So if you want, go back and watch some of them because this is the shit that happens. Almost every time you can hit a 1 to 2 during this PM session. I'm going to show you the 1-minute real quick, all right? So everything's still the same except our entry and our take profit. As you can tell, we still got that 15-minute buy side liquidity sweep on the 15-minute. Now instead of going down to the 5-minute, 3-minute, we're going to go down to the 1-minute to potentially get a quicker entry and quicker trade. So now I'm going to zoom in here for you guys. Right here, we have a bearish fair value gap. If I would have entered off the first one, and look, we have a market structure shift right up here. So if I were to enter right here, put my stops at the highs, and now I'm going to target, in my previous videos you would know, almost every time PM session generates a 1 to 2. I'm just going to pull it down to a 1 to 2. Let's see where it goes. Bang, right there. That got hit instantly. That got hit beautifully, right? Target this liquidity, this liquidity, this liquidity. Oh, and I'll be damned. These are gaps that have to be filled. Let me go to the 5-minute here. I want to see if there's any gaps that need to be filled. Huh. Look at that. Gap needs to be filled. This gap needs to be filled. Those could have been my targets. That could have been my target. This could have been my target. This gap could have even been my final target. Down here could have been my final target on the 1 minute. I could have targeted all that. Say I put it right here. That's a 1 to 3 on the 1 minute. Yeah, we came down, came back up, had some drawdown, but we ended up coming back down for a 1 to 3. That would have been a beautiful trade on the 1 minute. Sometimes I have a problem sticking on the 5 and 3 minute and not looking at the 1 minute to see if there's a potential setup. I gotta start doing that a little more during this PM session. I'm too used to trading London session right now. But as of right now, we're just down 50 bucks on the account. Like I said, I'm perfectly fine with that. We've only taken 2 trades. And you know, this was a beautiful trade. I think greed got in the way, not gonna lie. This one, still a good trade. Could have been better. Should have went down to the 1 minute. You know, that's why you need to go back, journal your trades, see what you're doing right, see what you're doing wrong, and you can fix that, all right? And that's how you will become a better and a more experienced trader. But that's about it for now. I'm gonna for sure wake up tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. to trade London session. Hopefully we can get a beautiful trade. We also had news today, so you know that can always be an effect of low volume. But I'm just getting ready now for PM session, see if there's a trade to come. I'd like to see sell side or buy side get swept, and then we'll go from there. But that's it, folks. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, quick and simple, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Happy trading.